Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new iPad Air, the 4th generation. I know that it's not new because it came out last year, but it's new to me. So today we're going to be unboxing that, and I do apologize if you hear raspiness in my voice. I am a little sick, so I do apologize for that. So if this sounds like something that you'd be interested in watching, make sure you stay tuned. So I ordered the iPad Air a couple of days ago, I think on the 29th, and I got it like, I don't know, anyways, it came like 2 days ago, but I just haven't opened it yet. So I ordered it from Amazon. So yeah, this is just the packaging. So I ordered it from Amazon, and I've already opened the box. So I also ordered some accessories to go with my iPad as well. So in the box we have just this protective layer. In our most prized possession, the Apple Air iPad. So we're gonna put this to the side for a second. The accessories that I did purchase, I bought this iPad cover, and I got the rose gold iPad, if you couldn't tell. So this is Array for iPad Air 4th generation. It's a standing cover and it's rose gold. So I also got that, and then I got this glass screen protector. I see a lot of people use the paper screen protector, so I'm not sure if I want to use this or the other one, but today we're just going to be using this. So, and the brand is just Glass Screen Pro. It comes from Amazon as well. And then I also got this dupe Apple Pencil. It's compatible with the iPad Air 4th generation. So we're going to be doing that. All right, so we're going to get into my iPad Air. So as you can tell, I have the rose gold iPad. So there's the front, and then some of the specs I have is the iPad Air, 64 gigabyte, 4th generation, and I only have Wi-Fi. So yeah, so we're going to get a more in-depth, so we're going to unbox her, and it has like a little pull tab. So what we're gonna do is pull this here. I'm trying to get it in the frame so you guys can see. There we go. So we're gonna toss that to the side, and here's a more like in-depth look at the box of the iPad. So it's like a rose gold Apple symbol. So we are going to open her up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And this is the front of her. Oh my god, y'all, I have an iPad mini, but it's so old it won't update to the newest iOS system. So yeah, I got this as an early birthday present, Christmas present for myself. My birthday is December 30th, so this is just an early present for me, and I wanted to get this because of me doing YouTube. So I wanted to be able to do my thumbnails off of this, and also just watch movies, and just because I just wanted it. So yeah, we're going to put this to the side, and then we're gonna see what we have in the box. So for starters, we have the USB cable, and we have a charging block, and then this little pamphlet here is just instructions on how to use the iPad Air. We have your iPad stickers, so stuff that we don't really listen to. So we're gonna get back to the iPad itself. So yeah, let's go ahead, and as you can see, it's the rose gold. this is so pretty. So I have the rose gold, and then there's a touch ID there. So we're just gonna go ahead and turn it on. And excuse my nails, they look janky. And excuse the background. This is the only place that I have right now to film this video, so which is in our kitchen. So I do, and I'm recording on my phone for those of you who say you don't have anything to record on. Oh my goodness, look at it. It just said hello. Oh, this is so awesome. So it's saying hello in different languages. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swipe up and we're gonna choose English, United States, set up manually. Next, and it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So once it's done activating, we'll come back and I'll show you all of the specs of this new iPad. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're back, and it says continue, touch ID, set up touch ID later. So we're gonna continue. Start by placing your finger on the top button. It's asking me to create a passcode. Just choose how you want to transfer apps and data. I don't want to transfer the same stuff from my phone onto this iPad, so I'm just gonna do don't transfer apps and data. Sign in with your Apple ID. So it says keep your disable location. All right, we can update that later. So set up later in settings. So this is Apple. Siri helps you get things done. We can set Siri up later. Screen time, set up later. Don't share. I actually like dark mode. So if light mode and dark mode. My phone is on dark mode, so. And there we have it. Welcome to iPad. Oh, you guys, all of that stuff up there, I'm so sorry, but we're like, oh my God. Look, I am so excited. Oh my gosh. So I don't have very many apps because I chose to set this up manually. So I am going to download YouTube, YouTube Studio, Netflix. I've been hearing a lot about Procreate and I want to use it to do my thumbnails. So yeah, I'm going to download some apps on here and I'll be, glad to show you guys the apps that I download on here. But for now, we're gonna apply this screen protector, and it comes with 2 screen protectors. All right, so it comes with screen protector accessories. So this is mainly, this is just, you have an alcohol pad. So we're going to go ahead and clean our iPad. rose gold. So I'm going to put the case that I got on. Like I said, I've never had like a more up-to-date iPad. All of my iPad, well, the iPad that I have, I was gifted that one by my cousin for Christmas, and it's just an iPad mini. So it's so old that it won't even update on the newest iOS. So this is the case that I got for it. I got it off of Amazon. It's just a rose gold pink, and then we're gonna put our there we go. And then now we have the Apple Pencil. So we're gonna close this. Well, the dupe Apple Pencil. It's not an Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil that I saw was like $100 and something bucks. So I wanted to try this one out just to see if it would give me the same, you know, results. So here we go. Amazon YOTTN stylus pen, compatible with all iPads, 2018 releases and later. So yeah, this is supposed to be compatible. So here we go. Upside down. This is user manual for your stylus pen. And I'm guessing these are extra tips for your pen in case you need new ones. No. But we have a charging cord, USB cable. And then the only reason that that made me realize that I may go and get the actual Apple Pen is because it charges magnetically on your iPad and this one doesn't. So I may go get that one. We'll see. So yeah, this is the pen. And I have no idea how to turn it on. I don't even know if it comes charged. It says just double tap the pen. Yeah, it says just double tap cat pen continuously. So yeah, we're gonna do this later. So guys, I wanted to just do an unboxing of my new iPad Air 4th generation. Here she is. Here's the back. It's really pretty. And then there's my iPad that I'm still in love with. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was all over the place. I'm not really good at unboxing videos, but I wanted to show you guys my new iPad and the accessories that I got to go with it. So if you like this video, be sure to comment down below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.